The president reveals who he wants to replace Nikki Haley as UN ambassador. One America's Liore Barzilai has more on Kelly Knight Craft's nomination for that role.
President Trump nominates Kelly Knight Craft as the UN ambassador to replace outgoing UN ambassador Nikki Haley. In a series of tweets Friday, the president said Craft, the current ambassador to Canada, has done an outstanding job representing the country and will continue to do so in her new role. Reports claim Craft had strong support from a number of high-profile cabinet members, including Mike Pompeo and John Bolton. In a statement, Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said Craft has been an outstanding advocate for America's national security and economic interests in Canada, and she is extremely well qualified to do the same at the United Nations. After State Department spokesman Heather Nauert dropped out of the running, Craft became a front-runner for the position following her recommendation by Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell. McConnell touted the president's choice in nominating Craft and added she is a strong advocate for American interests and will be a powerful representative of our great nation at the UN. Craft is a GOP donor and a Kentucky native. She graduated from the University of Kentucky in 1984 and served as a member of the Board of Trustees. She is married to Joe Craft, president and CEO of a major coal-producing company called Alliance Resource Partners. According to reports, both Craft and her husband have generously donated in support of President Trump's campaign, the Republican National Committee, as well as other allied committees during the 2016 campaign. The couple was also appointed as finance vice chairs to President Trump's inaugural committee. Reports also say she helped further progress the high-stakes renegotiations of the trade pact between the U.S., Mexico, and Canada, and was also a member of the UN General Assembly under former President George W. Bush. Craft's nomination will be sent to the Senate for consideration, and if confirmed, she will be appointed as the next U.S. ambassador to the United Nations. Liore Barzilai, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube. And call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.